Okay, so now we're going to replace the double hung windows that are in the house. And what I mean by double hung, that means that the top and the bottom sash hang on a rope and a pulley system and they operate independently. We're going to replace them with the same type of a system, only we're not going to use the ropes and pulleys. Now first of all, the type of window that we have here is primed on the inside. It has an aluminum clad on the outside with the color that the homeowner chose, so they'll never have to paint the outside, so no maintenance. The good thing here is also that it's now insulated glass, which will be much more efficient than the old windows. Now when you're installing replacement windows into an existing opening, there are a couple of different windows that you can get. You can actually get what is called a boxed unit, where the window comes with a jamb, the header, the two sides, and across the bottom, and you take that box and you slide it into the opening and you shim it as needed. Then you put your trim back on. These units are different. We're actually going to install a sponge balancing system on each side and snap the windows into it. All right? So the first thing, we have to install these right here. These are sponge balancing systems. Now these blue clips are where the bottom of the window sits, and they're attached to this string right here, and there's a spring up there that holds the weight of the window, so no matter where you position it, it will stay where you want it to stay. On the back side of this is actually a sponge, and that sponge sits up against the jamb like that, and that sponge will stop any air from moving in between here, keeping the window nice and efficient. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is install our clips to hold our sponge balancers. And they are actually nailed to the jamb. Once they're in place, we'll snap this against them or into them, and that will hold it. There's a little groove right there that it goes in, and right here, they pop in, and that holds the whole thing to the jamb. Now the height of this window, we're actually going to install 5 clips on each side. So what I want to do is I want to push it tight to the back of the casing, move it in just a little bit. I'm going to pre-drill just a starter hole. All right, now right in there.
Got it.
Yeah. Good. All right, so now we'll just make it straight, and I'm going to put one more nail on the slot, in the center of the slot, because we want to be able to adjust it in and out just a little bit. And when you drive the nail, you don't want to drive it really tight, so just bottom it out. Good. All right. Now we're ready to install the vinyl liner. Let's do that one over there first. Okay, now we're going to put it in there, but make sure this weather stripping is out on top of the edge of the casing. So pull this out, slide it in, hold this out, push it right in.
Snap to the back.
Yep. How's it look? Let's see if we can get it in there. There you go. Good. Yep, nice. Yes. All right, let's get the top sash now. Put it in the slot. Keep it up high. Now put yours in the slot. All right, now keep the window level, drop it down. Okay, put a little bit of pressure on it, not much. Stand it up and slide it right into the spring balancers. There you go, good. All right, now push the window up. Good. Oh, no, you gotta make sure that it's locked in, see?
Yep.
All right, now bring it back down, let it sit there. Did you hear it click?
Yep.
There they go. All right, now they're on. Yeah, see, now it holds it into place.
Nice.
All right, now the bottom sash. It's the same process. The window in, keep the window level this way. Put it in your track, keep it up a little bit high till you're both in, and then bring them down level. Put a little weight on it to make sure it's seated in there, and then slowly push it up. Push the window down, make sure it's caught. There it goes. Now push it up. Yep, good. Okay, and bring it down.
One of them is loose.
Bring it right down, it should catch. All the way down. All right, now we'll lock it. Let's go outside and see how it looks. All right, guys, there you go, your first window. What do you think?
That's one sharp looking window.
Yeah, it is.
I'd say we taught you pretty well.
You sure did.
I like how the aluminum keeps it smooth.
You want them smooth, and they'll never have to paint it. And they're going to save a lot of money on their energy bill.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.